do you ever wonder if, what if it doesn't work out? What if all this work goes for nothing? What if all this time, what if all this sacrifice I'm putting into this damn computer ends up being for nothing? By the way, I'm out here in, that's a big mural. I'm out here in San Francisco. I'm out here, there's the Federal Building. And just a quick side note, because the horse has both legs in the air, it means the guy died in battle. One leg means from war wounds. But, so if you're like me, you're trying to run your own business, you're trying to get ahead in life, you're trying to get out of that dang 9-to-5 job which sucks your soul out of you. You've got to remember there is always going to be a large degree of uncertainty when you're running a business. Not everything's gonna work out. Most businesses fail, right? And you're saying, why the hell are you smiling, John? That scares the shit out of me. Well, most businesses fail. So this is a warning. This is a demotivational talk. If you aren't willing to put in time, if you aren't willing to risk failure, if you aren't willing to go at it 10 times and fail and waste 9 years of your life for that 1 year where you start a business and you become financially free, you become a multi-millionaire, then you don't have thick enough skin. I remember when I was broke. I remember those days where I had to look at the menu and say, can't eat that, that's too expensive. That's not in the budget this week. Or, this place is too expensive. I'm just gonna order an appetizer and tell my friends that I'm not hungry, right? When really, I was just too damn broke. Remember, uncertainty, you're going to have to deal with it. If you get emails from 50 different people every day or every week telling you it's Amazon, fulfillment by Amazon, drop shipping, Shopify stores, cryptocurrency, trading penny stocks, affiliate marketing, flipping homes, right? There's a million ways to make money online. Click arbitrage, all this other sort of stuff. Network marketing. How many of you here have tried at least 3 different businesses? And let's make this fun. In the last year, how many of you have tried 3 businesses in the last year? You have your job, then you're trying Uber, then you're trying Amazon FBA, then you're trying affiliate marketing. The problem is, the reason why people jump around, and I used to be in the same boat. I used to try business to business to business to business. And the reason why people jump around, they're scared that one of these things is going to fail, that one of these things will not work, that you missed the boat, that one of these things that you're putting your time and your effort to is gonna be a complete waste of time. And if you treat your business opportunities like that, if you go at your life, if you go at your business like that, guess what? All you're doing to yourself is ensuring that they're all gonna fail. Because you're going in weak-minded, you're going in scared, you're going in already worried about the failure. You see what I'm saying? You're hedging your bets. You're saying, well, I'll put a little here and I'll put a little here, and maybe if I put a little piece of my time in a couple different areas, one of them will turn out. That's not how life works. That's how Vegas may work, but that's not how business works. Business takes 100% commitment. Business takes your full energy. Business takes everything you got to succeed. This isn't about, is cryptocurrency the thing, or Facebook, or Spotify, or affiliate, or Amazon. It's not about any of those things, because Here's the secret. They all work. So anybody telling you they don't work, it's not about that. The secret is you've got to be 100% at one. The secret is you've got to be better than the other 99 people doing it. The secret is you've got to approach it with more passion than the next person, because it's not about which one is right. They're all right. It's about how you compare to the competition with each one of these. So just a little side note, I'm out here in San Francisco. You see this is the federal building behind me. Some tall buildings. We got the Opera House right here. FedEx. Has anybody ever noticed there's a little arrow right there in that logo, right? Pretty witty. But I'm out here in San Francisco, and I'll tell you what, I'm failing. I'm failing right now. I'll sit down for this. I'm failing right now. I'm jumping into a new category. I'm jumping into a new world that I'm uncomfortable with. I'm starting to work with investors. I'm raising millions of dollars for my company because I want to bring entrepreneurship education to a huge, much wider audience. And I want to do it faster. And to do it faster, I have to grow inorganically, and I just need to raise crazy amounts of money to grow crazy fast, because that's how I work. I want to build something that affects hundreds of millions or billions of people. And the way to do that is you raise capital. Because I'm new to the scene, and this industry is all built on relationships. And I don't have the relationships. I'm not in the billionaires family. I haven't been a part of a tech startup before, and I've never been employed. So I'm not part of a billionaires family. I haven't been employed by a tech startup tech company like Google or Facebook, etc. Yeah. And I've never raised money before. And those are kind of the criteria for being in this world. Those are the three criteria which basically, and I'd say being a part of an incubator. If you guys have heard of incubators, Techstars, 500 Startups, Y Combinator, etc. And I meet with all these guys, and I have a good pitch. I have my elevator pitch, I have my 60-second pitch. I know the rules of the game, but I keep striking out, and I keep getting a lot of no's. I have enough energy and people like me enough. I'm getting meetings, but I keep getting a lot of no's. And guys, I don't know, but I'm a fairly successful dude. You guys know, I'm a fairly successful guy in my normal life. I live a nice life. I've made a lot of money. I'm making a lot of money. Travel the world. I've had experiences most people would never dream about. But breaking into this new world, it's scary as fucking shit. I'm like down here. I'm like this big. What companies have you worked for? I've never had it. I've really never, they ask me, what companies have you worked for? Never really had a job. Have you raised money before? No. They're like, does your company have any traction? I tell them the traction I have, because everybody said, when I came into this world, everybody said, your company has to have traction. I say, my company has a lot of traction, but nobody cares. It's an old boys club here. And I could be disheartened and say, all the money's been made. You need to know someone. No, it's too hard. But I take it. It's not bad. They're failures, but they bring me closer. They drive me more. And I've got a plan, and I'm sticking to my plan. And I anticipated this in my plan, so it doesn't bring me down, because I somewhat anticipated that it was gonna be a harder process than I hoped for. So I just wanna let you guys know, if you're going through this right now in your businesses, if you're going through this right now, starting your blog or your Amazon store, your Shopify store, your cryptocurrency trading, whatever. I'm going through this right now in my own way, and it's frustrating, but you have to keep going on. Have a plan, have focus. Don't let it bring you down, and you will get there. I'm gonna get there. watch me. I think you guys know it. We all go through our ups and downs. So I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Let me know if you want me to talk a little more on this subject I'm going through. I don't need to go into specifics, but let me know if you want me to talk more about startups or my failures. Because every business is ups and downs always. If you want me to talk more about startups or failures or raising money or this whole ecosystem, or let me know. I love talking with you guys. I love the community we're building here, and I want to see it grow. I love seeing this grow, and I love the energy. So let me know in the comments, and as always, like, subscribe, comment. See you guys.